For today's friendly know-how, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-open ng MP2 savings account online this 2024. Alam ko, excited na kayo. Pero ano nga ba ang Modified Pag Ibig or MP2 savings? Ang Modified Pag Ibig MP2 or Pag Ibig MP2 ay voluntary savings with 5-year maturity. Ginawa para sa Pag Ibig Fund members na gusto kumita ng higher dividends in addition sa regular Pag Ibig savings. Ang MP2 savings ay government guaranteed. Pwede ka na mag-start mag-save for a minimum of 500 pesos. Yes, for a minimum of 500 pesos, pwede ka na mag-open ng account. Pwede ka rin naman mag-remit ng one-time lump sum amount for the whole 5-year period of your MP2 savings. Without further ado, eto na. Mag-open lang tayo ng browser and then type natin virtual Pag-ibig, then enter. Sa website ni Pag-ibig, click natin Be a Member, and then apply for MP2. Bago tayo magsimula, handan natin ang mga kailangan nating requirements para ready na tayo mamaya. Number 1, Pag-ibig membership ID or MID number. Kung wala ka pang Pag-ibig membership ID or MID number, click mo lang yung link na to here para makapag-register ka online. Number 2, kailangan natin ng photocopy or scanned copy ng isang valid ID. Ito ang listahan ng mga IDs na tinatanggap nila. Siyempre, number 3, selfie to showing your ID. Ito, ganito siya. Number 4, photocopy or scanned copy ng inyong proof of income or source of fund. Ito yung listahan ng mga proof of income na acceptable. And number 5, if you are a former natural-born Filipino, you need to provide a photocopy or scanned copy of your Philippine passport. Number 6, certificate of reacquisition or retention for Philippine citizenship. Kung ready na, certify na lang natin yung terms and condition and proceed na tayo sa next step. Next step is i-validate lang natin ang Pag-ibig membership ID natin. Again, kung wala ka pang Pag-ibig membership ID or MID number, click mo lang yung link na to para makapag-register ka online. So dito, kailangan lang natin input yung membership ID or MID number natin, membership last name, member's first name, date of birth, and then click validate. After nating i-validate ang Pag-ibig membership natin or MID number, lalabas dapat yung you are eligible. Ganito. And then pwede natin kumpletuhin yung contact details natin bago tayo magpatuloy. Kung ready ka na mag-open ng Pag-ibig MP2 savings account, yes. Click yes lang at may OTP tayo na marireceive. Input natin yung OTP. And if hindi natin siya ma-receive within 10 minutes, click lang natin tong did not receive OTP, click here. And then review natin yung enrollment details natin dito. If mapapansin natin yung dividend payout niya is locked na siya. So 5 years na lang siya or end term na lang yung dividend payout niya, wala na siyang option para i-withdraw annually. Dito naman sa baba, pwede tayo mamili ng mode of payment or kung paano natin gustong hulugan yung MP2 savings natin. Pwede dito ang salary deduction, over the counter, or through accredited Pag-ibig partners kagaya ni GCash. Ilagay rin natin kung magkano yung gusto mong i-deposit. Pwede ka na mag-start as low as 500. Pero nasa iyo naman yan, pwede ka rin maglagay ng lump sum. Withdrawin mo lang siya after 5 years. Tapos, select mo lang yung source of funds mo. Kung okay na ang lahat, hit proceed. Ito na. Isasubmit na lang natin yung enrollment natin ngayon. Yung mga requirements na hinanda natin kanina, kailangan na lang natin siya i-upload ngayon. So, yung valid ID, yung selfie with valid ID, and yung proof of income. Once na i-upload natin siya, click na lang natin yung submit.
And then makaka-receive ka ng prompt na thank you for applying for an MP2 savings account. We are now processing your application. Please expect the message from us informing of the next step to open your account. So for your reference, here is the MP2 savings tracking number information. So sa experience ko, naka-receive ako ng message sa kanila after a couple of days informing me na okay na yung yung application ko kay MP2. Kailangan na lang natin gawin is mag-intay ng confirmation from Pag-ibig. Kapag na-approve na yung application natin, makaka-receive tayo ng text message na ganito. Congratulations, your application to open an MP2 savings account has been approved. Grow your MP2 savings by saving online via virtual Pag-ibig or through accredited collecting partners. So there you go. Ayun na, nakapag-fill up na tayo and meron na tayong MP2 account.